Hello everyone, I'm Miss Jackie and I'm here to show you this week's craft, week 3, and all of our materials are available on our website. And we actually still have week 2 and some week 1 crafts available, so please come on by. We're available Thursday, Friday, and Saturday at our available times, which is listed in this post. And with that, let's hop to our next craft. So in our bag, we have our instructions. We have our body, we have our back legs, we have our front legs, our arms. We have 2 pieces of tape, one big, one a little smaller. We have a piece of red yarn. We have 2 googly eyes, and we have a fly. So from the first week craft, you should also have a glue stick. If you don't, just let us know and we'll get one to you. So with that, we're going to use the glue stick, and we are going to glue the back legs on with the feet facing back like it's hopping away, and we're going to apply a little bit of pressure so the legs stick on, just like that. And usually I let this dry in between the steps, but just for demonstration purposes. And now we're going to attach the front arms with the hands facing forwards, like this. Oops. So now we're going to attach the eyes. So they're going to go forward like this towards the open mouth. Put a little pressure on like that. Put those on. All right, so now, we'll put the glue stick away. We're going to attach our fly, or take the littlest piece of tape first off the wax paper, and we're going to attach it to one of the ends of the yarn, like this. So, not the tiniest piece. And then we're going to take the bigger piece now. Then put it on, and then we're going to attach it to the frog's open mouth, just like this. And then we're going to set it aside for it to dry. And then when it's all dry, you have yourself a paper tube frog flycatcher. Oh, almost. All right, I hope you enjoyed that craft, and we'll see you next time.